So one super important thing about winterizing is, of course, winter tires. You want to make sure that you have a good set of winter tires throughout the winter season. What the winter tires do is provide you additional grip in slippery conditions. So a lot of people think if they have a nice new set of all seasons, it's going to be good enough. It actually won't be, because that rubber gets hard and stiff as the winter temperatures come. Versus the winter tires, they stay nice and soft to provide you that grip as you're going down the road. So definitely make sure you've got winter tires on your vehicle, and also make sure to take advantage of the rebates that we get from the manufacturers, which are currently on right now. To learn a little bit more about these rebates, give us a call or check out our website. All the details are there. One more thing to consider is your windshield. If your windshield is chipped or cracked, make sure that that gets dealt with before the winter hits. It's a very important thing for your visibility and for your safety. A few other things to consider. Make sure you have all the proper tools in your vehicle. So a snow brush, of course, but make sure you've also got an emergency kit in there should something unfortunate happen. And if something unfortunate happens, you want to make sure that you've got somebody that you can call. So make sure you've got some kind of a roadside assistance package. Did you know that Honda offers roadside assistance? It's available for a very nominal cost. Let us know and we'll give you all the details. There's some things you can do on your own, DIY type stuff. Start by cleaning out the inside, so you have a nice clean place inside the vehicle to live during the winter. Clean the inside of the windows so you get rid of all the smudges and you have a perfectly clear view. Also, you want to make sure that you clean the outside of the vehicle and pay special attention to any scratches you may have. If there's anything like that, make sure you put a little bit of touch-up pen on them. That's going to give you extra added protection as the harsh elements of the winter touch your vehicle. If you're a little bit handy, you can also take it one step further, replace any burnt out light bulbs that you have. Very, very important for your safety, as well as the visibility of other drivers on the road when it gets dark outside during the winter. So those are a few things you can do on your own. One final bonus tip. Pick up a bottle of Lock De Icer. Squirt that in the door locks once a month to make sure that they are free of any impediment so you can get in and out of your car. Folks, we're here to help. You can do some of this stuff yourself. We're happy to help with the stuff you can. TNT Honda, steering you straight. Take care, everyone.